Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and creating a safe copy. This preserves the original. Once the duplicate layer is ready, hide the background layer so you can see transparency. Make sure the layers panel is visible and the duplicate is selected. Next, choose a selection tool that matches the object. Free select for irregular edges or rectangle/ellipse for simple shapes. Begin a loose selection around the object. You don't need to be perfect because you'll refine the edge next. After your initial selection, switch to Quick Mask to paint precise areas with a brush. This helps when edges are complex. Once done, exit Quick Mask and refine via Select Grow or Shrink by a few pixels to correct edge bleed, then apply Select Feather 1 to 5 px to smooth the transition. Add a layer mask to the duplicate layer and paint with black to remove, white to restore. This non-destructive method lets you tweak the mask until the object is cleanly gone. Finish by cleaning leftover artifacts with the clone or heal tools. Sample nearby pixels and paint gently to recreate background texture. Once satisfied, reveal the background if you used one or keep transparency. Then choose Layer Merge Visible or Export without merging if you want editable masks. Finally, export using File Export as and pick PNG to preserve transparency or JPEG if you fill the background. If edges look jagged, undo. Increase feather slightly and retouch the mask. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.